Magnaflow. Here we go. Sounds all right. Feels all right. Looks like we had a peak interior on the meter of about 78.9 decibels during the pull, and about 75, like through the pull is what it looked like it was reading. Let's see if we can find some drone. You can hear it; it's there, but not it's not shaking the cabin to death. We're about 70 miles an hour. High gear. About 2,500 there. Kind of feeling it a little in the cabin. It's got a little tingle. Kind of annoying. Stoplight. Okay, 2,500. It's just not. We're kind of right there. It's not full on headache drone, but there's like a twinge. It's I don't know. It's there. It's a deep, clean sound. It's clean. Didn't sound all VQ rapish like most of the others. Maybe that's a different level of refinement. It's okay. It's. I'm old. It would get to me. Magnaflow.